I'm glad it stopped here because I didn't think it would because some of the times are different. Okay then guys, this is Stogumber station. I'm going to watch it depart. Yeah, this is one of the best stations, not the best, but one of the best on the West Somerset. So I'm going to let this train take it away. Now then guys, whilst you watch the train leave, it's a bit confusing because some of the trains are running a bit later than others and the online train times are differing quite a bit. But this train has managed to stop without any harm, which is good because I didn't think it was going to stop because the times were different. Not by much. Yeah, did I just say not by much? I meant not by much. So yeah, there it goes, and I'll show you how best this station is. Guys, in here is what Stogumber station used to look like. Now it is a model, but this is what Stogumber station used to look like. And you know the train that I bought? That, my friends, is the Helgen version. The version I've got is the Hornby version, which it doesn't look as good as the Helgen or EFE rail versions, but it's an older version. But this is what Stogumber station used to look like before they closed it all. So then guys, here at the lovely Stogumber station, this is actually a new addition to the station. This is called the cattle pens. These are new, they're not original, but they basically farmers used to put their like animals and cattle into these little shed kind of things, and then when the carriages of the train pulled up, presumably in this little siding which they've just built there to show you what would happen, the carriages would roll up, then they'd open the doors, open the gates, and let all the cattle on. Now I think it's mainly used as a viewing area. When we came down on the first train, lots of people were waving and taking photos here. There's lots and lots here, and actually some trains are due to go straight through. There's one of the stations just like Washford, so Washford, Stogumber, and obviously Donnerford Holt. Some trains actually skip it. I think it's every other train usually skips this station. Usually the Norton Fitzwarren ones do. As you'll see later, there's one special service that actually stops at these two stations, but you'll see that later. Now I'm going to go and have a look at these times. Bye! I think it's just Broken Heathfield wrong, but if you look here, they're all running 8 minutes late, which means that 13:13 is running 8 minutes late, which isn't very good. And as you can see, some don't stop. And I'll be filming in a moment the 12:56, which is a kettle. Which, if you don't know, is the steam engine. Right then. in a minute. Here's for Jeff. Tea number 2. Ding! I think he's been a bit greedy. Look how slow she's going. Filming. I can hear him, I think. Mum was hoping to get the front of it, but she got the back of it. And there you go, there's a train passing through Stogumber, a rare sight that only happens, I'm assuming, at the diesel gala. That would be one of the high mechs, but they're both out. Right then, guys. Very quick, my iPad's on 7%, so the last few stations, which are Watchet, Washford and Norton Fitzwarren, will be very quick. Especially Watchet and Washford, because Norton Fitzwarren is special, because it only runs on special events, including this diesel gala, alright? So, sorry if they're a bit rushed, but it's on 7%, alright? This is Fred, your West Somerset correspondent, out. Bye.